When it comes to network change and configuration management, NetMRI by Infoblox has been a trusted name for years. Now, what if you could get that same capability and more in a modern, scalable, and intuitive platform? Here's why Forward Enterprise is your ideal NetMRI replacement platform. Let's walk through what you've come to know and love from NetMRI and how Forward Enterprise delivers with even more flexibility. Like NetMRI, Forward Enterprise automatically discovers your entire multi-vendor infrastructure's physical, virtual, and cloud estates with scheduled discoveries and notifications. Our scheduled discovery keeps your inventory fresh, while Inventory Plus gives you dynamic searchable insights into every layer 2 and 3 device, VLAN, route, and more. Coupled with the multi-view topology maps, you see your network from any perspective you choose. Forward tracks every change. Which device was changed, when the change was made, and what was the change. Utilizing detailed diffs after every snapshot. Need historical configs? Snapshot keeps them archived for easy side-by-side comparison. And when connected with an automation orchestrator, configuration changes are fast, consistent, and error-free, all powered by our network query engine, also known as NQE. Policy, compliance, and enforcement. With NQE, you can instantly spot non-compliance with security and operational policies. Whether you're following PCI, NSA, SANS, STIGs, or custom rules, Forward will flag violations with details and can feed every result directly into your automation workflow. Forward gives you the exact root cause insights, from routing errors to MTU mismatches, all visible with custom views. Troubleshoot VLAN instabilities, analyze device tables, and monitor overall health with real-time clarity. Security and risk management. With Forward's NQE and Decorators panels, users get the latest security advisories and CVEs per device. You'll see exactly which devices are at risk, get alerts immediately, and if integrated with an automation orchestrator, create actionable remediation host inventories after every snapshot. Automation and integration. Forward works seamlessly with automation orchestrators, CMDB, and reporting systems through a robust set of APIs. Schedule jobs, integrate workflows, and pull precise data programmatically, with no manual overhead or additional tech debt. Switch port management. Employing Network Query Engine and the Verify feature, teams can now monitor switch port details such as history, utilization, endpoint inventory, and other custom information all in one place. With SNMP polling and NQE queries, you get both the big picture and the granular details about your network's current state. If you're looking for a modern, powerful, future-ready NetMRI replacement, Forward Networks has you covered. Future-proof your network's visibility, compliance, and control without compromise. Head over to forwardnetworks.com and schedule your demo today.